Good morning everyone. The topic that we are going to take up today is work and energy. Now, what is work? In a layman's language, anything that we do that is considered as work. For example, right now you are studying, so you will consider it as work. And I am teaching, so I will also consider a work being done. But in terms of physics, this is not the work done. Work is said to be done when a force is applied on a body and the body gets displaced. That means work is a product of force and displacement. Now, consider this block. If a force is applied on this block and the block gets displaced in the direction of the force applied, then the work is said to be done. I am repeating it again. Work is said to be done when a force is applied on a body and the body gets displaced in the direction of the force applied. The SI unit of work is Joule. Now, how do we define Joule? When a force of 1 Newton is applied over a body and the body gets displaced by 1 meter, then the work done is said to be 1 Joule. When we apply a force of 1 Newton over a body and the body gets displaced by 1 meter, then the work done is said to be 1 Joule. So this is the introduction part about the work. Now, work done can be divided into 3 main categories. Work done, it can be positive, it can be negative, or we can have zero work. When the force and the displacement are in the same direction, then the work done is said to be positive. When the force and displacement are in the same direction, the work done is said to be positive. When the force applied and the displacement produced in the body are in the opposite directions, then the work done is said to be negative. Now, in case of zero work done, there are 3 conditions under which the work done can be zero. Number 1, the first condition is when the force applied over a body is 0. Now, when we do not apply a force over a body, obviously there will be no displacement and the work done will be 0. Second thing, we are applying force but there is no displacement. Howsoever hard you can push a wall, you are applying a lot of force over the wall, but the wall is not going to get displaced from its position. So you are applying F, but there is no displacement. In that case, again, the work then becomes 0. The third case, when the angle between F and S, that is the force and displacement, is 90 degree. That is when the direction of the force and the direction of the displacement are perpendicular to each other. When they have an angle of 90 degree between them, in that case, the value of cos theta will become cos 90 degree, and cos 90 degree has a value 0. As we know that the formula for work done is Fs cos theta, where cos theta is the angle between F and S. Now, if the cos 90 degree is 0, so in the third case, that is the angle between F and S is 90 degree, again the work done will become 0. So this is all about the concept of work, units of